Do you know that zinc deficiency will steal away beauty from people? Everyone has a love of beauty. It is every woman's dream to have a tight, elastic, white, and shiny skin and become the focus of the crowd. However, when you face yourself in the mirror, the fine lines, wrinkles, color spots, darkness, acne, and sagging face and neck skin will instantly shatter your dream. Why do you still look older than your peers when you use expensive skincare products and cosmetics? In fact, the key to the problem is that your skin lacks nutrition. Skin nutrition depends not only on external treatment but also on supplement intake. Among them, zinc is the most easily overlooked skin nutrition. For skin, zinc is like a treasure house. It can promote skin metabolism and collagen synthesis, thus improving skin elasticity and accelerating the repair of damaged skin. It can accelerate the removal of free radicals, help resist ultraviolet rays, thus delaying skin aging and preventing the generation of fine lines and wrinkles. Therefore, timely zinc supplementation is the key to have a healthy and young skin.